All right, guys, welcome back to another episode, and this is another simplify a two divisions. And I know you guys will probably get scared when you guys see stuff like this. Don't worry, it's very easy. What you want to do is you want to separate when you see stuff like this. You just want to rewrite it in terms of A over B over C over D. You want to have four. You want to have two fractions, right? You want A, B, C, D. None of these are full fractions. So let's put this into fractions. So it becomes, let's take the upper section. Let's take this section first. So 1 minus 2 over x. You want to put a common denominator. So multiply this by x over x. So it becomes 1x over x minus 2 over x. This will give us x minus 2 over x. Let's take the lower section now. Well, this becomes 3 plus 1 over x. Multiply this by x over x becomes 3x over x plus 1 over x. That's your common denominator. It becomes 3x plus 1 over x. So now that we have our two fractions, we could put them in terms of A over B over C over D. So let's rewrite it like this. And now once you guys get here, you see it's A, B, C, D. So we have the form that we wanted. Now, what your teachers will usually tell you is you take this one, flip it, and then it becomes a multiplication, and you guys might get mixed up. You guys might not flip it well, or you guys might get mixed up. The easiest way that I learned, and a lot of my friends learned as well, is to just take the outside ones, take the inside ones. So let's take the outside ones. The outside ones, let's multiply them. So it becomes x minus 2 times x. If I multiply this, I distribute the x into the parentheses, becomes x squared minus 2x. Let's take the inside ones, becomes x times 3x plus 1. This becomes 3x squared plus x. So here's your division. Here's your division. And now they're asking us to simplify it. So we're at the finish line right here, guys. So what is common here? Well, I see there's an x that's common, so let's write this down here. Take out the common x, that means divide this by x. Becomes x minus 2. What's common in this one? Well, x as well. So let's take out the common x. 3 plus 1, right? 3x plus 1. You just divide this by x. So you take out the common x, you have 3x plus 1. We see that these go to 1. So your final form and your final answer would be x minus 2 over 3x plus 1. That's how you get your full marks. We'll see you guys in the next episode.